I'm out of town at a conference, and we stay in a VRBO when we're out of town because then we can at least, you see, open the windows. But let me tell you, poison in this place. That was just for effect, but I can't talk that way. We walked in the VRBO, and thankfully they had left the windows open for us because they knew we were chemically sensitive. That's the way I say it because it's probably acceptable, but really what it means is it's poison. We walked in and they had used this cleaner. You know that sprinkle cleaner that you can use on the carpet and it has that scent in it? Blech. Yeah, it smelled great. But that is poison. That poisons your brain cells. It excites your brain cells to death. So if you would like to kill your brain cells, continue to use that artificially scented things. And then on every bed, there was a buildup of so many years of fabric softener sheets, dryer sheets. I couldn't sleep. It was awful. So we always buy vinegar. So now I'm going to give you some solutions. Wash the sheets in vinegar. But that was still poison. There was still poison in the air. And it makes you feel and look older faster. So I'm going to go over to my private group now because some of you, may want some more details and some of you might not. So I'm going to go to my private group, Forever Young, and I'm going to give you some solutions so that you can stay forever young, feeling longer.